We are going to get some sweet mithai, and we'll show you when we get there. Right?
Right, guys. So we are going to be going to get some sweet, and I hope you are excited.
And also some biryani too.
Yay!
Where are we going, Aris? Hey, where are we going? Let's go. Let's go in the car. Let's go. In the red car. Let's go. Let's go. Open the door. Where are we going? Uh-huh. To get some sweets, and it's a homemade sweet, but it's like authentic, real Pakistani style sweet. But once we get it, I will show you. And after that, we're gonna go to get some biryani. So wait for it, and we're gonna show you both of them. So I'm arrived at the location, and I'm gonna get the sweet from the house. She made it at home, and because of the privacy, I'm not gonna show their home. But as you can see, the area is quiet and very peaceful and nice. So once we get the sweet, and we'll share with you, we'll show you. That looks nice. What do you think, Xavier?
It looks very tasty, guys.
And it called what? Gulab jamun?
Yeah.
You don't know that.
Well, you just told me.
So now it's time to get the biryani. We're gonna head towards the biryani place, and once we get that, we'll show you. we are at the place where we're getting some food, and maybe biryani or something. I'm not sure. I changed my mind. So let's see what Zawiya thinks.
You know, kind of up for the biryani. I'm just very hungry, guys.
Okay, so biryani or maybe something else. Let's see what they have. Okay,
Alright.
let's go. Aris, say hi everyone. Why she shy? Okay, so we placed the order to go, and we're just waiting for our order. Let's see. What happened? Peekaboo. What is that? A bee? A bee?
It's a
What is that? Insurance spider?
Mommy! No, that's a Mommy! Seal. Mommy!
Where it goes?
Oops. It went over here. Addis, why do you keep on hurting the plane?
It's ready? Okay.
Yes, that's what I thought.
So they have a buffet today also. So what they have? Coleslaw, nihari. This is halim. Let's see. Fish, biryani, chicken tikka. This is dal or halim?
Yeah, it's
Dal. Nice buffet. Okay, guys. So this is the homemade sweet. Lady made it at home, so that's what we baked. This is rasgulla, Bangladeshi style, and this is biryani. This is ginger and pepper with the raita, and this is halim, and this is naan. So we are ready to try all of that. So are you ready to try?
Mm-hmm.
So let's go sit down and make a plate.
So he's gonna try the halim.
And then we'll take a little bit biryani. And we'll try with naan. Take a bite. You ready, Alice? You want to take a bite? No. Okay. Look at that. It's halim. Very tasty.
Oh no!
And it has all the ingredients that are required for halim. I usually don't like outside halim, but this is really good. So then I'm gonna take a bite for the biryani. And this biryani is tasty too. Better than other places. These shepherds, they make a good biryani and also the good food. But we're gonna finish this and let us know what you think. Just stay in touch with us for more videos like this, and we'll be bringing some new content to you. Have a good day. Bye bye.